No doubt India is among most interesting countries in the world. For the world other than Indians, it is a country rich in culture, heritage, history and hold lot more mysteries inside. It is a place which offers world full of curiosity and unheard custom and traditions. In this video, we will be talking about 10 strange things which happen only in India. So let's begin. It is inappropriate to wear gold below the waist area. Yes, you heard it right. In India, gold is something which every woman likes. But in Indian culture, it is inappropriate if you wear gold below the waist area. That means अगर आप गोल्ड पहन रहे हैं तो उसे वेस्ट एरिया से ऊपर ही पहनिए, ना कि नीचे. It is not at all acceptable and considered as inappropriate in this culture. India is the birthplace for plastic surgery. Indian physicians have been performing skin grafts and other plastic surgery techniques since 1500 BCE. The first detailed account of such procedures came into existence from Sanskrit text penned in the 6th century BCE by the Hindu surgeon Shushruta that still form the basis of modern Ayurvedic or traditional and Indian medicine. Bollywood is the largest film industry in the world. Yes, not Hollywood. Bollywood is the largest film industry in the world, which produces around 1200 films each year, which is twice as Hollywood produce. Most of the movies produced in India are based on musical things. That means the theme of these movies are musical. So if you are planning to come to India and in order to act in Indian cinema, you need to have these two skills. You should know either how to dance or to sing, and acting is a must. There is a temple in India where rats are being worshipped. Karni Mata Temple is a Hindu temple dedicated to Karni Mata at Deshnok, 30 km away from Bikaner, which is in Rajasthan, India. It is also known as the Temple of Rats. The temple is famous for the approximately 25,000 black rats that live and are revered in the temple. India has the fourth largest railway services in the world. The Indian Nationwide Rail Network, the fourth longest in the world, is owned and operated by the state-owned Indian Railways and includes an operating route length of more than 65,000 km. There are 6 seasons in India. As per the Hindu calendar, there are 6 seasons of India, which are spring, which is known as Vasant Ritu, summer, Grishma Ritu, monsoon, Varsha Ritu, autumn, Sharad Ritu, pre-winter, Hemant Ritu, and winter, Shirshar or Shita Ritu. These are some of the seasons, or you can say 6 seasons, which are there in India as per the Hindu calendar. India is the largest vegetarian country in the world. India has more vegetarians as rest of the world put together. In 2007, UN FAO statistic indicated that Indians had the lowest rate of meat consumption in the world. India, the world's second most populous country, has over 500 million vegetarians. Vegetarians in India have been demanding meat-free supermarkets each and every day. The biggest family in the world lives in India. Believe it or not, while recording family as the largest living family in the world, it was observed that Mr. Chana is a person who has 39 wives, 94 children and 33 grandchildren, and he lives in Mizoram, India. So India can be a place, or is known as the place who has biggest family in the world. India is the birthplace for chess. India is known as the homeland of chess. The name of chess has been derived from the game Chaturanga, which means the 4 division of army, namely elephants, chariots, cavalry and infantry. Shampoo is a product of India. Shampoo was invented in India not the commercial liquid ones, but the method by use of herbs. The word shampoo itself has been derived from the Sanskrit word champu, which means to give massage or to massage. So the word has been derived from here, and shampooing is an Indian concept.
If you really like this video, kindly share, like and subscribe. And hit the bell icon so that next time any video will be uploaded, you will be notified first. Thank you for watching.